Hi, I'm Jen Tonic and I'm a tattoo artist specialized on botanical and naturalist designs. I work at the Sticks and Stones studio in Berlin and I have the honor to be sponsored by amazing brands like Cheyenne Tattoo Equipment, Eternal Ink and Balm Tattoo. When designing tattoos, I am mainly inspired by everything from nature. Tattooing flowers and plants gives me the possibility to fully express how I see the world. It also allows me to help others feel comfortable in their own skin by decorating it with unique art pieces. Our body is our permanent home, so why not decorate the walls and put some art on our skin? In this Domestika course, you will learn how to design botanical tattoos in full color, following the natural body anatomy and flow. As your final project, you will design a unique tattoo inspired by nature using Procreate. First, we will go over some important aspects you should consider before getting a tattoo or drawing one for a client. You will see the importance of getting the right picture, collecting references for inspirations, and choosing the right color palettes. Next, you will learn about flower anatomy and how to pick the best ones for your design. We will study our body and see how its flow can affect our chest piece design. Then it's time to sketch some ideas that will help us define our final project and balance our lines to make the tattoo age well. With our outlines done, we will see how color can be used to match different skin tones. Before wrapping up, we will learn how to apply the stencil onto the skin, correct its size, and make your design stand out by using depth. Finally, I will share some valuable tips on getting the tattoo done, taking care of it, and using your design in other ways. By the end of this course, you will be ready to design beautiful tattoos that show off your personality. To follow my steps, you will need basic drawing skills, Procreate, or other tools of your choice. Learn how to embrace each body through botanical tattoos.